Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic for anyone involved in artificial intelligence and machine learning, designing a scalable AI workflow from data ingestion to model deployment, with a particular focus on the automation of continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, or CI/CD. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or just someone interested in AI, this video will shed light on how to create an efficient and scalable workflow that can handle the demands of modern AI projects. So, let's get started. What is AI workflow? First, let's define what we mean by an AI workflow. An AI workflow refers to the structured sequence of processes involved in the development and deployment of AI models. It encompasses everything from data collection and pre-processing to model training, evaluation, and deployment. A well-designed AI workflow makes it easier to manage the lifecycle of AI projects, ensuring that each step is carried out systematically and efficiently. Why scalability matters? Now, you might be wondering why scalability is so vital in AI workflows. The answer lies in the ever-increasing volume and complexity of data that organizations are facing today. As businesses grow, their data grows too, and they need to be able to handle this influx. A scalable AI workflow ensures that your model can be trained on large datasets and can adapt to changes in data without significant rework. This adaptability is crucial not only for performance but also for the longevity and relevance of your AI solutions. Overview of the AI workflow. To better understand how to design a scalable AI workflow, we can break it down into several key stages: data ingestion, data processing and cleaning, model training and evaluation, and finally, model deployment. Each of these stages plays a critical role in ensuring that your AI solution is effective and efficient. Data ingestion. Let's start with data ingestion. This is the first step in our AI workflow, where we gather data from various sources. Data can come from databases, APIs, flat files, and even real-time streams. The key to effective data ingestion is to ensure that you can handle large volumes and diverse types of data efficiently. One popular approach for data ingestion is using data pipelines, which automate the process of collecting and moving data from one system to another. Tools like Apache Kafka, AWS Kinesis, and Google Cloud Pub/Sub are excellent for handling real-time data streams, while batch processing can be managed with tools like Apache NiFi or Airflow. An important consideration is the frequency of data updates. Some applications may require real-time data ingestion, while others may only need daily or weekly updates. Defining these requirements upfront will help you choose the right tools and architecture for your data ingestion process. Data processing and cleaning. Once the data is ingested, we move on to the next stage, data processing and cleaning. This step is critical because raw data is often messy, inconsistent, and filled with errors. You need to clean and pre-process the data to ensure that it's suitable for training your AI models. In this stage, you'll typically perform operations such as data normalization, handling missing values, encoding categorical variables, and splitting the data into training, validation, and test sets. Tools like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn in Python are commonly used for these tasks. Another essential aspect of data processing is feature engineering. This is where you create new features from the existing data that can help improve the performance of your model. Feature engineering can be a complex and time-consuming process but is often what separates a mediocre model from a highly effective one. Model training and evaluation. With clean and processed data in hand, it's time to train your model. In this stage, you'll choose an appropriate machine learning or deep learning algorithm based on the problem you're trying to solve. This could range from linear regression for simple problems to complex neural networks for more intricate tasks. One of the core principles of training AI models is experimentation. You'll want to try out different algorithms, hyperparameters, and architectures to see what yields the best performance. This is where automation can play a significant role. Using tools like MLflow or Kubeflow can help automate the model training process, allowing you to run multiple experiments in parallel, which is critical for scalability. After training your model, it is vital to evaluate its performance using metrics relevant to the task. For classification tasks, metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are commonly used. For regression tasks, you might look at metrics like mean absolute error or R-squared. This evaluation helps you understand how well your model is performing and whether it is ready for deployment. Model deployment. Now that we have a trained and evaluated model, the next step is deployment. Deployment is the process of making your AI model available for use in production environments. There are various ways to deploy models, such as using REST APIs, integrating them into applications, or deploying them to cloud platforms. The deployment process should be automated as much as possible to ensure consistency and reduce the potential for human error. This is where CI/CD pipelines come into play. Continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines automate the process of integrating changes into the main codebase and deploying those changes to production. CI/CD pipelines typically involve several stages, including building your application, running tests, and deploying to staging or production environments. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, Circle CI, and GitHub Actions are popular choices for implementing CI/CD pipelines. The role of CI/CD in AI workflows. Now let's delve deeper into the role of CI/CD in AI workflows. One of the main challenges in deploying AI models is the need to frequently update them as new data comes in or as the underlying algorithms evolve. CI/CD pipelines help streamline this process by automating the various steps involved in model deployment. For example, whenever a new model is trained and evaluated, you can trigger the CI/CD pipeline to automatically deploy the new model to production. This ensures that your users always have access to the latest version of your AI solution without requiring manual intervention. Additionally, CI/CD pipelines can help you maintain the integrity of your model by automatically running tests to validate the performance of the new deployment against the old one. This is essential for ensuring that new changes don't inadvertently degrade model performance. Monitoring and maintenance. Once your model is in production, the work doesn't stop there. Monitoring is a critical aspect of maintaining a scalable AI workflow. You need to continuously track the performance of your deployed model to ensure it performs as expected over time. This includes monitoring for data drift, where the characteristics of incoming data change, potentially impacting model accuracy. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK-Stack can help you set up monitoring dashboards that provide real-time insights into model performance and system health. By incorporating monitoring into your CI/CD pipeline, you can automatically trigger alerts when performance degrades, allowing you to react quickly to potential issues. Maintenance is also crucial. As new data becomes available, you may need to retrain your model periodically to ensure it remains accurate. Automating this retraining process within your CI/CD pipeline can significantly reduce the overhead associated with maintaining your AI solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, designing a scalable AI workflow involves careful consideration of several key stages: data ingestion, processing, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Incorporating CI/CD pipelines into this workflow automates and streamlines the process, allowing you to efficiently manage updates and maintain the performance of your AI solutions. Scalability is not just a nice-to-have feature, it's a necessity in today's data-driven world. By investing in automated workflows and CI/CD practices, you'll be better positioned to adapt to new challenges and opportunities in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on AI and machine learning. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What challenges have you faced in designing AI workflows? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of technology.